Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make some ESCOVITCH sauce for some ESCOVITCH tilapia fish. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Shelly. Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. Welcome you to my channel. Happy 2025. May all your wishes come true. Here I have carrots, thyme, onions, bell pepper, optional garlic, a little dash of ginger, and some hot pepper other than habanero. Here I have some wild-caught tilapia that I washed, pat dried, that I'll be using to make this meal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to give the video a like, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. I'll be doing Jamaican style ESCOVITCH style tilapia. I use a little black pepper, salt, all purpose on my tilapia. You don't want to over season your fish. I just lightly use a little seasoning. Rub this on because I'll be seasoning my flour. For my flour base, I'll let you know the ingredients. Rub your fish. You can leave them for an hour or however long you choose. And my mommy is here from Jamaica and she brought me some Jamaican style bonnet, which I haven't had in a while. Bonnet is made from something called cassava. It's more a family of, I would say, bread or yam family. Yes. And I soaked it in some coconut milk and a little dash of sugar. Now about to get ready to make my ESCOVITCH. Added in garlic, onions, however you choose, my bell peppers, carrots, and then I diced my pepper and I added it to this. Now I added a little hint of olive oil and I added a little sugar on this because I'll be using white cane vinegar, and to get that vinegar taste out, I added little granules of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, whatever you prefer. Now for this, I added me a little brown sugar, and I stir this in. Once this is sauteed, then I'll start adding vinegar and allow all these to cook in some vinegar. On the side, I got together some all-purpose for a little cornmeal, some cornstarch, a little salt, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and I added to my flour. Mix this around because I'll be coating my tilapia in this. Feel free to season yours. I did not use a lot of salt on the tilapia, neither did I use a lot of salt in my flour base. You can also make a wet batter with this and then dip it in the dry batter, but I'll only be using a dry batter. Here I added vinegar and my ESCOVITCH is ready. Added me some oil for frying, garlic, onion, because that's my basis, and onion does add or give flavor to whatever you're cooking. Rice and peas, soup, onion has a great flavor when it is either burned or cooked in your food. And if you realize it's not even burning in my oil, dipped my tilapia in and I'll be adding this in the hot oil. Garlic, pepper, onions. Feel free to add whatever else you want to add in yours. This is my way and my business. This is what your fish should look like. Golden brown and crispy. Not overdone, but done crispy. Once they're all ready, just remove them from the heat. Add them to a drip grill or a drip tray, whatever you have if you don't have a tray, because you want the crispiness to stay in it. Look at my tilapia. Crispy, well done, and this took, I would say, under 5 minutes to do both sides. If you want yours crispier, then do it longer than the 5 minutes for both sides. Remove them from my oil, and then I coated more tilapia. You can cut these in fillet, you can cut them in bite size, whatever you choose, and then just leave them to fry. I did not cover my pot, and yes, you can see the cornmeal. Yes, I like it that way with cornmeal. This is what the finished fried tilapia looks like. Feel free to add your sauce. Once this is ready, these were my 2 bottles of ESCOVITCH sauce. And listen, I love this sauce. I can eat it on just about anything. It has spice, the veggies, the aromatics in it. Very, very delicious. See, I'm scratching them to let you see they are crispy, crunchy. Feel free to just dash your sauce on it, add it. I really don't like mine's too wet, so I did not add the vinegar that was in the bottle on it. When I'm eating it, at that point, I'll add it to my bami. And today I felt like I was in Elsha or on the North Coast having some fish, ESCOVITCH, as much as it's not the Jamaican style fish, but I did enjoy this, and I hope you too enjoyed this quick and easy video ESCOVITCH style tilapia look at my meal. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Set your notification bell so you won't miss another video upload. See you soon.